Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad for Vrat. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh, ripe fruits like 2 bananas, 1 apple, and 1 pomegranate. Make sure to wash them well. Also, have ready about 1/4 cup of rock sugar and a tiny pinch of black salt. These few items are all you need for a delightful and easy Vrat fruit salad. Now, let's prepare our fruits. Begin by peeling your 2 bananas and 1 apple, then carefully dice them into small, manageable pieces. Next, take your pomegranate and gently deseed it, ensuring you get all those vibrant, juicy arils. Once all your fruits are prepped, simply combine them together in a spacious mixing bowl. This step is quick and easy. With your fruits combined, it's time to add the perfect balance of sweetness and flavor. Take your 1/4 cup of rock sugar and sprinkle it evenly over the fruit mixture. Then, add just a small pinch of black salt. This really brings out the natural sweetness. Now, gently toss everything together until the sugar and salt are well distributed throughout the fruit. This ensures every bite is delicious. Finally, for the best taste, chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and makes it wonderfully refreshing. Before serving, you can garnish it with a few fresh mint leaves for an extra touch of freshness and a lovely aroma. This easy fruit salad is not only perfect for Vrat, but also makes a fantastic, healthy snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.